Today, I am so excited to share with you this clothing haul from Rotita's Christmas line. This is a Christmas review from Mare Product Reviews. If you caught my last Rotita clothing haul, you know how much I love their clothes and I could not wait to tear into this package. I really went to town on their Christmas lineup, not only with clothing, but also with purses and earrings. And I was so excited to get some Christmas specific clothes to add into my wardrobe. And today, I'm going to show it all to you. Let's start with the shirts. I was ready this year to get a Christmas specific shirt that I could wear to a concert, and I found this Santa Claus number right here. It's got a round neck, it's got stretchy, long, comfortable sleeves that's not too warm, and of course, you've got that white strip of faux fur coming down, and it splits off to both sides. There's a belt that goes around and ties the shirt together. This shirt is just about dress length, but obviously has that very wide opening, so you could pair this with jeans or leggings. I also wanted to make sure that I selected red Christmas-looking tops that I could wear during the entire winter season. And I found this one and love it. It's really unique with this strip right here that comes down in an asymmetric line, and it's got these round holes through them with metal pieces. It's really comfortable and cozy. The material is stretchy and soft, so it looks like something stylish that you can wear out, but this is also really comfy and cozy for lounging in the house. You just can't go wrong with a red sweater this time of the year. And next, onto this cozy white sweatshirt that is perfect for winter. It's got a zip up front, so you could either wear it open or zipped the whole way up or anywhere in between. It's stretchy around the neck, so it's nice and comfortable with that half turtleneck look. You've got a stretchy ribbing along the bottom, which helps it to stay in place, and around the sleeves as well. I love how slick and soft this is. It's really silky and smooth to the touch. And what's great about this one is the white and black color combination. If you look closely, it almost looks like it's sparkling. It looks like you've got some winter Christmas lights on it, and I really love it. It just feels perfect for the winter season, and it's not something that's so obnoxiously red or green. Now onto some shirts that don't look Christmas specific at all, but are perfect for winter. This asymmetric sweatshirt that's got patchworking. I love this one. It's silky and smooth, not plaid at the top, and the middle of the sleeve and the middle of the shirt feels like a sweater, and then you've got a different texture and color combination at the bottom. It's long and baggy and flowy, and of course, it's a hoodie. This is cute enough to wear out and feel super comfortable and fashionable, and also to wear in while you're lounging at home. This next top is not something that I would typically buy, but I have to say, I love it so much, and I'm glad that I tried something different. It's plaid and kind of flannel, and it's got the zipper front opening that's super cute. And then the top here is kind of denim. It's a little bit more stiff in the material, so I was worried when I pulled it out that I'd be kind of uncomfortable in it, but actually, it's not bad at all. It's a little bit stiff, but the bottom part is soft, and it's comfortable to wear. I really love the look of it and the colors. I love the combination of that blue denim with that beige, and it's really becoming one of my favorite shirts. What do you guys think of this one? While I could keep talking about these shirts all day long, I better get on to the dresses because I found some very cute ones. I am really into these zip-up fronts, I guess, because I keep being drawn to them and selecting them. I love this dress because it's great for Christmas and also all winter long. You've got the black on one side, the red on the other, and then you have one black sleeve and one red sleeve on opposite sides. What I love about Rotita dresses, which you can tell from my last clothing haul, is that they're silky smooth and comfortable, but stylish. And these ones that I got this time do not disappoint. Same story, different season. Now take a look at this one. Definitely a little different than what I typically wear in my wardrobe, but I'm excited about it. It's got this frill at the top, and it's got this frilly neckline that you can also see repeated on the wrists. And I love that red and black color combination for the holidays. You also have this black line that goes along the waist. It's tightly fitted, it's soft and smooth, and it falls down just below the knees. I love that Rotita's dresses can be fitted and so silky, soft, and comfortable. You can see the slit in the back as well. In the back of this dress, you've got a button closure at the top with a thin zipper. And I couldn't help but point out that this dress pairs perfectly with these sparkly earrings that I got also from, you guessed it, Rotita. I'll show you all the earrings up close a little bit later. I was looking for something a little sparkly and with lots of jewels on it for a fancier statement for the holidays. Love these. This next dress is kind of similar in the fitted style. I got this in the purple color. It does come in multiple colors. And it's got that higher neck. You have that fitted, silky feel. It falls below the knees and you've got the slit in the back. And if you didn't believe me that I was loving the zipper closure in the front, here's more evidence that I do. You can either wear this zipped up or pulled down or anywhere in between, and it looks pretty good, I think. I really love all the different shades of purple, and this dress is just fun. And now a moment for these earrings. These are humongous hoops that are quite heavy actually. So if you're opposed to heavier feeling earrings, you might not find these ones comfortable. But you've got the two outside pieces, and then in between you have these diamonds going along through there. And they're just cool. They kind of make me want to pull my hair up and show these off. Also, this is a great time to introduce you to one of the bags that I selected. This one is plain and black and just goes with everything. And while we're on a purple theme, here's another purple number. I was kind of drawn to this one as a loose fit, comfortable, plain dress. Sometimes you just want something like that. It's got a long 3/4 length sleeve, a round neck. Really the only details on this dress at all are those slight lines going down the front. It's clingy and bouncy and loose fit, and the material is really stretchy and soft. This also falls below the knees and is definitely a modest fit. And how about these cute little earrings? They're a teardrop shape, and they're the perfect combination of fancy and casual. They're sparkly, but you could wear them every day with any outfit. My last dress is sleek and businessy. It's tight-fitted while being stretchy and clingy. So nothing feels like it's pulling or uncomfortable. One thing that I was a little bit surprised with was how high the slit was, and I wish it wasn't quite so high, but a lot of people would probably like that. It's got these buttons going down the side and on the sleeves as well, which are turned up. I love this crisscross in the material in the front and that V neck. It's also got a thin zipper in the back. And now can we just take a moment for my favorite earrings from this whole haul, these gold dangly earrings. They're really unique as well. I get so many compliments on these ones. You could wear them in different directions. You could wear it turned up or circling down like this, or even turned the whole way around upward. As you can see, the part that goes into your ear is this little arch, and then the dangly bit is actually attached to the earring back. So you can really see all that dimension of the dangly piece hanging from behind your ear and the front arch in the front. It gives it such a unique look. I love them. This is the first time that I've gotten any earrings from Rotita, and I have to say that I am pleased with all of these earrings for different reasons. I love the unique style, and they're all beautiful and turned out exactly as they were pictured and just like I'd expect. But now we need to take a look at these purses that I've gotten. Let's start out looking at this little beige clutch that's got an attachable chain. I doubt that I will get to use this one too much because my 11-year-old is in love with it and has plans to steal it from me. It's simple and small and has a little handle at the top, and you can turn it right here to open up that clutch. So when you're going out and you need a little fancy something to hold just a phone or a wallet or a few small items, this one is perfect. I really love the texture on it, the shape, and that chain. I'm kind of a sucker for cute mustard yellow. I love this bag. It's simple, it doesn't really have a liner on the inside, but you can zip it closed. This is a great one for a night out where you just need, again, just a few small items. And then you can take that leather strip and just string it through for a cute little closure on top. It also comes with this leather strap. You kind of have to flatten out the sides here a little bit, string it through, and then tie into a simple knot. And of course, same thing on the other side. Then it has this really cute tied off look. Simple and adorable. Now on to the next number, which is this black bag that I showed you briefly before. It's got a zipper closure. And on the inside, it's nicely lined, and it has a little zippered pocket in the back. A simple pocket in the front for just a little bit of organizing, and then it's just nice and open. As a mom of 3, having a larger bag that's a go-to when people hand you their things to carry a lot is important, but it's sleek and black and cute and pairs with everything. Today, I do have a coupon code for you to use, and it is simply REVIEW. Use this coupon code and you can save $8 on orders over $80. I also have a product link down below that will take you directly to Rotita's website, where you can find the items that I featured in my video up first, and you can also see things that I've reviewed before and check out all of their Christmas items. You are going to love their clothing items. I am definitely not disappointed with them, so I hope that you find something nice for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me here at Mare Product Reviews, and I hope that you have found this review to be helpful. If you love these clothing reviews, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I'm coming out with my next one. And of course, check out my channel for all the other reviews that I have available. I'm wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.